It's just a beautiful day today on the lake. Family's over there swimming. I got the little Dock Demon ultralight, just catching some little brim. Stay tuned and I'll show you. Found me a little spot here. It's got a little bit of coverage. Look at this, just wearing these little brim out, having fun. They ain't big, but they're fun to catch. Oop, got off from me. Why not take advantage of the lake? Anytime I'm around water, I got a fishing pole, and 90% of the time I'm fishing, guys. Yeah, it's nothing big. I wish I had my bucket. If I take my bucket, I like to catch them and keep them for cut bait for my catfish, but I wasn't too prepared today. This little structure here, just fun. It wears them out. As fast as I can get it in there, they bite. I just missed that one. Of course, y'all see it. We'll use that as a blooper. There's another one. And they're so fun to catch. They may be little, but they're fun to catch on this little bitty Dock Demon. If you ain't ever owned a Dock Demon, I would suggest getting one and leaving it in the car, truck, whatever you drive. They're fun. They're small. Not sponsored. I wish I was, but it's a good day to be out. Stay tuned because tonight we're going to the river. Alright guys, I'm back. It's nighttime now. Family thing's done. I got the pole set out, ready to go. I'm only using one pole tonight. I'll let y'all know if I catch anything. One pole. Lighting's not the best. Let me see if I can light it up for you. Not too much. But way out here. Alright guys, well, I'm back at home. Had a few issues tonight. Caught 5 fish. One good, which I'll have to post a picture of it here shortly for you. Had a few little weird experiences going on tonight. Kind of supernatural, I guess you can say. I believe in it. So the place I go to is on the old Indian burial ground. Indian sites. It's all over the place. Well, we had some weird noises going on. My phone was on 50% when I got there. I filmed just a little bit. It got a good bite. When they hit play to film, it died. When I got it back in, a few minutes later, it come back on, so I took a picture of it. We had a few issues. My rod messed up, fell apart. My reel tore apart. Brand new reel, basically. A lot of weird noises. It was honestly kind of weird. But, I mean, for the sake of content, for the sake of y'all, it's where my camping survival and everything is going to be. I'm going to deal with it. We'll just see how it goes. I'm speechless. Don't really know what to say about this. I mean, yeah, I believe in the supernatural. I believe in the Indian spirits and everything. But at the same time, I never had no issues. But it was like something was telling me tonight not to be there. Like I said, phone died. My reel messed up. My rod fell apart. It's very unusual. Normally all that don't happen to me. I keep good care of my reels, my rods. Constantly maintain them, grease them, oil them, all that other great stuff. So yeah, I'm back at home now. Catch me at deuces. Catch me at the creek bait. Catch, cook, survival training, camping, fishing. It don't look like much, but it's gonna provide.